Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create a smartwatch glow effect in Photoshop, just like this one. First, select the pen tool and make a clean selection around the watch. Once done, right click and choose Make Selection, set feather radius to 0 and hit OK. Drag that duplicate LED screen set where you want after that. Press Ctrl-J to make multiple copies. Create 3 copies and keep one original layer. Select all 4 layers together, right-click and choose Merge Layers. Next, go to blending mode and set it to screen. Now choose the polygonal lasso tool and draw lines around the watch screen. Then, open the adjustment layer gradient and pick any color you like, for example, white or blue. Set the angle to around 121 degrees and adjust the gradient so it sits nicely on the screen. After that, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur, convert it to a smart object, and set radius to around 47.0. Now, open blending options, set blend mode to soft light. Opacity 25%, noise 10, and adjust the color to blue for a smartwatch effect. Finally, fine-tune the opacity between 55–70% and that's it. Your smartwatch glow effect is ready.